would close the door. Yeah, I would go in there and close the door. Close the door. And then knock that guy out. You're gonna have to knock everybody out who comes in here. Bank robber?
What? Huh?
Close the door and knock him out.
Ow.
Oh, he's not.
You'll die if you don't give up. Whatever that is.
Knock him out. Close the door. Knock him out.
Even is he taking him on?
Door and knock him out.
Wait.
Okay, there's just one more guy, and then I think you'll have a break. He's there.
Where did he go? We need.
All right.
Okay,
Now
okay.
quickly disguise as the janitor.
Okay. Where's the janitor?
He's there. and now you gotta leave and close the door. And now you should be fine.
Oh no! What's happening? What? Why are
The
there
maniac
alarms?
knocked me out in the bathroom, and I woke up.
You guys should check out the bathroom, man. There's so many bodies in there. Oh no!
Oh
Oh
no! So I would try to hide somewhere.
Hey, you. Don't go any further.
Perfect, another bathroom. You know the bathroom strats. Okay, you're hunted. Close the door. Knock him out. I'm out on him. Well, he's
And they're eliminated.
I'm out. Him too. You gotta get him too.
Instant. Not the thing.
Oh, you don't use it. You have a gun? What's that